Right, all I'm going to do now is to I can't find the yellow paper card I had, but I'm just going to make a little beak, and all I'm going to do for that is cut like a V. Mine's twerping like mad. Oh, it might be twerping too much. Oh, dearie me. Come on, woman, wet yourself up. All you do is just cut that shape, and then just cut from the point like that, and then fix that wherever I want it. Which I'm going to do like that. See? So that's... Oh, I'm not putting the wing on so it's in the cage. So then what I did, I just threaded that through the cage. And I did it like... yeah, it was under the 2, wasn't it? Yeah. So brought that in like that. Oops. Like that. I mean, it already looks good, look. Isn't that good? Right, the tail's a bit long, looks more like a seal. But never mind. Just going to attach the wing. Now I put it halfway on and off. That's where I've positioned the bird, right? Where I want him. And that will just help hold him in the cage. Mind that bit there. Yeah, I like that. My little golden bird. Lovely. And then what I'm going to do is just attach some of the beaded stuff. Okay. Get rid of all my rubbish. Now the way I did that was, first of all I attached it underneath. So I just put a bit of glue like that and push that underneath. And then I took my string and I popped it. It's really fiddly, but let me get my tweezers. It looks good twisted through. I like it. So that's all I did with that. Loosened it a little bit, because you need a little bit of giving it, don't you? And then took it around the bird's tail. Like that. Like that. Took it underneath the first, like that. Mind you don't knock off the beak. Oops, nearly hung him. And then go over the third, 1, 2, 3, go over the third one and back through there. Like I say, you can pull it out with your tweezers. Bring it up a little bit. Leave some loose here. And then I took it. Oh, I took it under the next one as well. I hope you can see this. Sorry, ladies. There we go. Just took it like that. And then what I did is, well, I haven't put the hole in there at the moment, so I am going to use a little punch thing, but my friend in work borrowed me punch, so I need to get that back. So all I'm going to do now is measure what I need and snip that off. So that'll be ready for that. I might cut it out actually, I'll see. I might do that actually. Let me get a piece of board. What time are we on? 4:50 already, my word. Stuff that underneath. Okay. Oh, got something in my eye. and then just freehand and chop around there. Oops. They don't have to be perfect. Remember, it's a homemade item. You've got to give it some character. And push that through, actually. I should have done this beforehand, but because I didn't have the punch, I wasn't going to. But I need to finish off properly, so hopefully I'll get it done. And of course, I'm blind as a bat, so I can't see. Oh, we'll work that out. Take that corner bit off there. Just colour that in black and go over it with the metallic paint, or metallic thing. Right, so that's that, and what I'm going to do is just thread that through and then glue it here, because this is where I'm going to put the flowers. So that's all I need to do, is just see how much I need and then glue that there, so it's like that. And basically that's all you're doing. So that's threaded through. Nice bit of pearl effect on my cage, bird cage. Yeah, I like that. Oh, I stuck that down. No, I didn't actually. Right, now what we're going to do is going to put the lace on. So, right across the bottom. Run the gun over. Find the right way around for the lace. And just pop the lace on there. Okay, again run it across the top of that, because that's going to be the edging I'm going to put on. Like that. And then all I'm going to do is just chop that off there in a minute. It's out of the way. And very, very carefully cut your lace. Anything if you chip into that, you just go over it with your Tim Holtz stuff, which is what I did. Like that. So that's what we've got so far, ladies. Another bird cage. And then all I've got to do then is decorate it. And what are we on to? 8:31. Got a minute to start doing it. Where did I put my flowers? There we go. So I need one flower for a focal point. Now I have a few here, and I do like this one that I made. So I am going to use this one. If you remember, it's that one with the black chiffon behind. You know, the black organza. So I'm going to use that one, and it's a homemade flower in between that and the rose in the middle, but I have coloured the middle. So that's going to be my focal point for my flowers, and then I'm going to build around it. So it's going to run out, but I'm going to come back because we're going to finish it off together. How's that? I'm just going to start trimming some of these flowers off. Where am I? Little pliers. And sticking them on. So if it runs out, I'll come back and we'll finish it off. There we go. I'm going to have one there. Have a little red one. See, it's going to go off in a minute now. Well, of course, I have to run out of glue as well, don't I? One there. And it's just a case of building your flowers round, but I will see it through.